Ashi Jiji. A for Ashi Jiji. A for Adi Bhaiya. They want to say something.
Hey cutie pie, wish you a very very happy birthday Karthik. Stay blessed, stay cute. Badi Gigi love you.
Wish you many many happy returns of the day, Karthik. God bless you. May all your dreams come true, Gudda. We love you.
Hello Karthik, wish you a very very happy birthday. May God bless you. Love you. Tata.
B. B for Bhaiya. Bhaiya wants to say something.
Happy birthday, Karthik. You have completed your 2 years. You are not just two. You are too cute, too sweet, and too funny. Once again, happy birthday.
C. C for Chachu. C for Chote Chachu. They want to say something.
Hi Karthik, wish you a very happy birthday. God bless you.
विश यू अ वेरी 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 हैप्पी बर्थडे मेरे हीरो। जल्दी से बड़े हो जाओ क्योंकि अब कार्तिक से कार्तिक आर्यन बनना है ना आपको। चाचू लव यू।
D for Dadu and Dadi. They want to say something.
Karthik happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Karthik. Happy birthday.
D. D for Dishadi. Dishadi wants to say something.
Hi, happy birthday Karthik. May God bless you. Stay blessed, stay cute. Love you more. Mwah.
E. E for Ekta Auntie. Ekta Auntie wants to say something.
Happy birthday Karthik beta. May you have long, happy and healthy life. Get lot of toys, have lot of fun, enjoy, play around. Happy birthday once again.
F. F for Friends. They want to say something.
Happy birthday, Karthik. May God bless you. To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Mama, ये देखो.
G. G for Gorgeous Nikki. Gorgeous Nikki wants to say something.
Happy birthday to dear Karthik. Happy birthday to dear Karthik. You are so cute.
H. H for Hiya Didi. Hiya Didi wants to say something.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Karthik. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday Karthik. Enjoy your day to the fullest.
I. I for Ishu Bhaiya. Ishu Bhaiya wants to say something.
Wish you a very happy birthday Karthik.
J. J for Jaju Mama. Jaju Mama wants to say something.
बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, है मेरी ये आरज़ू। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे डियर कार्तिक।
K. K for Kana Bhaiya. Kana Bhaiya wants to say something.
Happy birthday, little Karthik. May you have lots and lots of fun and toys. Bye bye.
L. L for Little Chiku. L for Lovable Mishti. They want to say something.
Happy birthday, bye.
M. M for Mamma. M for Manju Mausi. They want to say something.
Happy birthday, my cutie pie. You are the cutie pie of Mama and Papa, and the loving brother of your Big B. It's your second birthday, second happy birthday. So enjoy your birthday, enjoy your life with full of fun, joy, and happiness, and do whatever you want to do. In fact, you do every day. Your badmashiyan. You know, na? God bless you, Betu, forever. Live long and healthy life. Sing sweet, 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 sweet song. And once again, happy birthday, my sweetu. Mama loves you so much.
Happy birthday, Kartik. God bless you.
And for Nanu, and for Nani. Nani wants to say something with Nanu's blessing.
हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू कार्तिक. स्वस्थ रहो, मस्त रहो, नानी की रानी, खुश रहो खूब, सबको हंसती रहो, हंसाती रहो. और अपने नानू की तरफ से भी मैं ये कहूँगी कि नानू आज हम लोगों के बीच में नहीं है, लेकिन जहाँ भी होंगे तुम्हें खूब दिल से दुआएं दे रहे होंगे और आशीर्वाद दे रहे होंगे.
And for Neetu Chachi and for Nilu Mosi, they want to say something.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Kartik. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday Kartik beta. God bless you. Enjoy your birthday with full of fun. Love you.
O for obedient Arnav Bhaiya. Arnav Bhaiya wants to say something.
Hi, my little and sweet brother Kartik. Wish you many, many happy returns of the day.
P for Papa. P for Payal auntie and uncle. They want to say something.
Hi Kartik, many happy returns of the day. You have completed 2 years for now, and it's been 730 days that you have given lot of happiness. And Papa loves the song that you chant every day. That is Papa, Papa, Papa. I love that song. I'll just want to say happy birthday to you and enjoy your birthday. And we all love you so much.
बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिन ये गाए, तू जिए हजारों साल है मेरी ये आरज़ू. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे डियर कार्तिक, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू.
Q for quiet and simple Ananya Didi and Anushka Didi. They want to say something.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Kartik. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday to you.
R for Rahul Mama, R for Ragini Mami. They want to say something.
Kartik, wish you a very happy birthday बेटू. Enjoy your second birthday. खूब जल्दी जल्दी बड़े हो जाओ, खूब बदमाशी करो. Love you.
हेलो कार्तिक, आज आपका सेकंड बर्थडे है. विश यू अ वेरी वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे. लिव लॉन्ग एंड हैप्पी लाइफ. खुश रहो, सुखी रहो और हमेशा बदमाशियाँ करते रहो. लव यू बेटा. बाय बाय.
S for Shalini Mami, S for Shuchi Chachi, S for Samapti Auntie. They want to say something.
मेरा कार्तिक फूली गुलाब, तुम जियो हजारों साल. मेरा कार्तिक फूली गुलाब. हैप्पी बर्थडे कार्तिक.
Hi Kartik, love you baby. Chachi is wishing you a very happy birthday. May you have a very long life.
Today is a very special day for you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Kartik. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Many happy returns of the day कार्तिक बच्चा मेरा. God bless you बेटा. Bye.
T. T for Tini Mosi. T for Tishadi. They want to say something.
Hi cutie pie. Happy birthday. God bless you. जल्दी से बड़े हो जाओ फटाफट से. क्यों? क्योंकि तुमको मेरे जितने भी सारे बदले हैं ना अपनी मम्मा से वो लेने हैं. मम्मा इतना दूर पहुंच गए है, मैं कुछ कर ही नहीं पाती, मिल ही नहीं पाते. तो जल्दी जल्दी तुम बड़े हो जाओ, जिससे कि मम्मा को खूब ढेर सारा तंग करना, परेशान करना, जिससे उसे बात बात पे मेरी याद आए और वो लौट के रोने के लिए मुझे फ़ोन करे. तो मेरे लिए जल्दी से बड़े हो जाओ और इतने ही प्यारे रहना. लव यू बेबी.
Happy birthday Kartik. May God bless you and lots of love. U for uncle. Uncle wants to say something.
Hello, hi Kartik. Happy birthday from Kapoor uncle. We wish you a very happy birthday and may you grow to be a wonderful boy. All the happy wishes to you and to your parents.
बच्चे होते हम भी अगर बच्चे होते, नाम हमारा होता डब्लू बबलू, खाने को मिलते लड्डू और दुनिया कहती हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू डियर कार्तिक. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू.
V for Vandana Mosi. Vandana Mosi wants to say something.
Many happy returns of the day कार्तिक बेटा. कार्तिक बेटे के लिए 4 पंक्तियाँ. मुस्कान बखेरे तेरे मोती, नटखट पंक्ति प्यारी, मूरत हो तुम, जन्मदिन की ढेरों बधाइयाँ, हमारी खुशियों की बड़ी ज़रूरत हो तुम. गॉड ब्लेस यू बेटा.
W for wonderful Arsh Bhaiya. W for wonderful Aryansh Bhaiya. W for wonderful Raja Bhaiya. They want to say something.
Happy birthday dear Kartik and have a blast. Start कर दिया. Happy birthday dear Kartik. Enjoy.
Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday dear Kartik. Happy birthday to you.
X for Xerox copy of you. Xerox copy of you. Swastik Bhaiya wants to say something.
हैप्पी बर्थडे माय नोटी ब्रो. जल्दी से बड़े हो जाओ, फिर खूब मस्ती करेंगे, खूब मम्मा पापा को तंग करेंगे.
Y for Yashidi. Yashidi wants to say something.
Hi, happy birthday Kartik. May God bless you with everything. Stay blessed, stay happy. We love you.
Z for Zippy Rit Bhaiya. Rit Bhaiya wants to say something.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Kartik. Happy birthday to you. Many happy returns of the day Kartik. Happy birthday cutie pie.